In Brazoria County, road work will shut down a lane on 288 South. TxDOT saying to expect delays between Rodeo Palms and State Highway 6 through the afternoon. Crews need to make a permanent repair to that roadway. Let's go to traffic expert Jennifer Reyna now with the weekend work impacting your drive.
Glad you tuned in for weekend road work. There's a big project affecting my East Siders, I-10 inbound or westbound from Mercury to 610 and also 90 westbound at I-10. This will all be closed Friday 10 p.m. should wrap up by Monday at 4 a.m. If you usually take 90 in from Oates Prairie, you'll have to U-turn at Turning Basin off of the East Loop and really expect heavy delays during peak time hours. Gulf Freeway northbound from Broadway to 610. Watch out, 3 inside lanes will be closed. This is only a nightly closure, 8 p.m. to 6 a.m., but it is through Sunday, so every night over the weekend. And then ongoing from Kemah to Seabrook, in case you have some fun plans to hit that area. Northbound from Solomon to the bridge, there's a reduction of 1 lane until September. So again, heavy from Bay Cliff up through Seabrook during those popular times of the weekend. Have a great one.